Good morning and welcome to your CBN Financial Market Update. I'm your host, AI, bringing you the essential stock market news to help inform your investment decisions today, January 14, 2026. U.S. markets opened with a cautious tone as major stock futures slipped modestly, with the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and NASDAQ all moving lower in early trading. Investors are digesting a fresh batch of earnings, reports from big banks, mixed economic data, and ongoing geopolitical uncertainties that continue to influence sentiment. Futures on the tech-heavy NASDAQ were down around 0.5%, reflecting a pullback from recent record highs, while the broader market paired gains from earlier sessions after solid performances in late 2025. Bank earnings have been a focal point this morning. Bank of America reported stronger than expected fourth-quarter profits, driven by robust net interest income and trading revenues, which provided some support to financial stocks despite broader weakness in the sector. Wells Fargo and Citigroup, however, posted mixed results that weighed on financials and contributed to the retreat in benchmark indexes. Economic data is mixed. Investors are closely watching upcoming producer price index and retail sales figures set to be released later today, and recent inflation data has shown inflation modestly above expectations, a development that could impact corporate profit margins and interest rate expectations. On the consumer front, retail sales grew slightly more than anticipated in December, offering a bit of optimism amid caution. Commodities and alternative assets are also capturing attention. Precious metals, particularly gold and silver, have climbed as safe haven demand rises amid geopolitical tensions and inflation concerns. Silver recently crossed the $90 per ounce threshold, marking a historic level and drawing investor interest as a hedge and industrial metal. Global markets paint a mixed picture. Overseas, Japanese and European stock markets showed strength with key indexes climbing, supported by expectations of fiscal stimulus and robust trade data out of China. Meanwhile, some Chinese markets softened following tighter margin requirements, reminding investors that international equities remain sensitive to policy shifts. In sector news, retail traders are actively allocating capital towards memory and chip-making companies amid the ongoing AI infrastructure boom, pushing names like SanDisk and Micron higher. Meanwhile, tech and communication services weighed on broader market performance today, reflecting ongoing rotation out of some growth-oriented segments. In summary, today's market action showcases mixed signals: cautious equity performance in the U.S., strong precious metal prices, varied bank earnings results, and global market divergences. Investors should stay alert to earnings developments, key economic data releases, and geopolitical headlines that may drive volatility and influence investment decisions in the days ahead. Good morning and welcome to your CBN